Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am creating this super fun and vibrant makeup look today. I don't know where I'm going wearing this makeup look. There are no festivals happening this year, obviously, due to what's going on. But I feel like this is such like summer festival vibes, or like, I don't know, summer garden party. If you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. But before I let you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are nearly at 200k subscribers on YouTube. Can you believe it? Oh my god. So yeah, I'd love it if you did subscribe and also get me on the gram and wherever else. But yeah, for now, enjoy the video. I'm going to start off with the Make Up Hydragrip primer. I love this stuff. It's been a while since I've used it, but it's one of my faves. And then of course I'm taking my Kevyn Acoin to just work over those scars, any sort of redness or dullness around my face. You know how it goes. If you're new here, then hello, I'm Anchal and I'm addicted to Kevyn Acoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. This is like my holy grail. You'll see it in probably every video, and if you don't see it in every video, because I'm using it anyway and I'm bored of showing you it. And I just take a little bit really goes a long way. I think the common mistake that people make with this, because it's such a heavy full coverage product, I feel like they just go in with too much from the get-go, and then it's really hard to kind of blend out when you've got loads on your face, and then you end up with loads on your face and it looks really heavy and cakey. So go in with smaller amounts at a time and kind of just build it up. Then I'm going to take my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I don't think I've used this on my channel before. Maybe I have, maybe like 1 or 2 times, but I've not used it loads. But the thing is, I actually really love this foundation. I don't use it that often because I feel like it's quite a special foundation. So I don't use it often, but it is a really lovely one and one that I really like. And I get loads of questions about what shade I am. And I am the shade 4W1 Honeybronze. This stuff is full coverage. So I am gonna, again, like everything else, just apply a little bit less and then just pat and blend it into the skin. So I have a little bit more control. And I mean, you can wear this foundation lighter. It just means this foundation is going to stay put. It's matte and it is going to last you all day. It's just one of those foundations that just doesn't budge. So next I'm going to go into my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand, and I use this in the shade Medium Dark, and I'm just going to get this around the areas that I like to contour. I love this because it just gives you a really nice soft blend and it just looks super smooth on the skin. You can see, guys, it just blends out so effortlessly and it doesn't look heavy. And although the shade is actually quite dark, when it blends out into your foundation or into your skin, it just looks so much more softer. And obviously you can just go in with your foundation brush, no extra product, just kind of pat it and work it in. And I love this for like a full coverage day where, you know, I want to look beat to the gods. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. I just realized my lights behind me weren't on, so that's great. Anyway, okay, my nose looks hella messy and muddy. That's okay, because I like it like this at this stage, don't worry. Right, so then I am gonna try this concealer. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Radiant Concealer. I used to love the just normal Double Wear concealer. In fact, I should get a new one because it's been so long. I used to wear it a lot. This is more creamy, and this is in the shade 3W Medium Warm. This might be a better shade for just correcting the dark circles, so let's see. It looks quite warm. Yeah, this is definitely more of a corrector shade for me, so I'm not going to apply too much. I'm going to leave it there, and then I'm going to go ahead and just pat that out. It's a really nice concealer though. Really good coverage, and it just feels nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and brighten, and I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer just to go over that. And then I'm also just going to take it in all of the usual places that I like to highlight. That thin line that I got down there, well done. The reason I'm using more like a creamy concealer around my face rather than a really mattifying one is just so that it kind of balances out the texture on my skin and the overall look. Because if I go in with a super matte concealer and then I've already got a super matte foundation on, everything is just going to look very matte, and I don't like to look that extreme level of matte. You know, we are going to put powders on and stuff too. I always think about like what I'm using and why. This is where we're kind of correcting that muddy nose contour right now, because we're taking the concealer up the nose from underneath the eye, and this is just going to help enhance the contour further. I'm just patting a Chanel translucent powder underneath my eyes, and you know what, I actually really like this powder. It's so lightweight, and the other day I put it on my sister. I did her makeup and I was just looking at her all day like, damn, you look good. But it was definitely the powder. I could just tell she was looking so smooth and flawless, and her makeup lasted all day, and yeah, it just looked so good the whole day, and it was definitely the powder that I put on her. So next we're going to go into some bronzer, and I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Bronzer just over where we contoured, and this honestly is flawless and smooth. I'm taking this in the shade 2, which is medium. And whenever I've got my hair up, I just like to take it around the edge of my hairline, just so that there's no like, it's not like bronzer, bronzer, bronzer. You know, just make it flow a little bit more. I mean, you don't have to take it around here because I feel like it might look like muddy sideburns. But definitely just a teeny bit around the edge of your hairline. And also this just helps your face look like this. And then I'm just going to take whatever's left on my brush just down my nose, because the nose contour is already heavy, sis, you know what I'm saying? I'm now gonna just spray my face with a setting mist, just because I've put all my powders on and I just want to kind of work them into each other. Okay, so now that the spray has settled into my skin, I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. I'm just taking Fenty Beauty first, just kind of on the top of my cheekbone, just with a large fluffy brush. And then with a slightly smaller brush, I'm taking this gorgeous highlighter by Estee Lauder. It's the Bronze Goddess collection. It's their new one. This is Heatwave. And I'm just going to take this right on top of the cheekbone. Woo! Damn. And just kind of blend them together. And then I'm taking a, what is this? A pencil brush, just to go down my nose. And I like to blend it with my finger, just to soften up that line. And then just a little bit at the tip of my nose. And then for blush, let's go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk blusher just on the cheeks. I love this. I always pop a little smile just so I can just see where it's like apple of the cheek, you know? And I kind of just brush it on there and a little bit back. Okay, so I've just had to quickly change my top because I'm filming a TikTok and it required me to change. So yeah, it's really hard. You know, when you're doing, trying to do a YouTube video, Instagram video, TikTok video, you know, all in one sitting, it gets all very confusing. So I thought instead of changing back into the top I was wearing, I'm just gonna wear this. Yeah, so I've already done my brows as well, so let's move on to the eyes. And I'm really excited because we're gonna do something fun and colorful. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty concealer. You can take anything just as like a base for your eyes. I have a vision in my head. I want to do something really fun and colorful and a halo eye, which I haven't done in a long time, but I'm just, you know, I'm just kind of mapping it out in my head. You know when you look at a palette like this and you're like, where do I start? Okay guys, let's just pray that this look goes okay. But I'm starting off with this really cute pink shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is in the shade Loli Mama. We are getting our color on today. And I'm just gonna start by pressing it onto the outer corner and then the inner corner. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel so out of practice doing a halo eye, so please just bear with me. I'm so annoyed, all my blending brushes, like all my favorite ones, are dirty. They've all got, like, let me show you. They've all got so much color. Like, look how vibrant this dirty brush pot is. That's how you know I do a lot of color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out a little bit. Just soften up those edges. And then I'll just build up with a little bit more. And then what I think I wanna do is go into, where is it? This one, which is called Feeling Myself. And then I think I wanna work that just on the edge. And I'm kind of just like leaving out right in the center a little bit. But I don't mind if you get a bit of color there. And then where I'm like losing a little bit of that pink, I'll just go over it, kind of up to that orange, so that they blend nicely into each other. Right, so once that's kind of on and blended out, I just want to deepen up the pink slightly further. And I'm going to go in, I think, let's have a little look, shall we? I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Dance Party. Just going to slightly deepen up that pink right in the inner corner and outer corner. This really just enhances that pink right underneath. And then I'm going to go into my Estee Lauder Double Wear highlighter in the shade Heatwave. And just on my finger, I'm going to pat this through the center of the eye. And just along those edges, kind of just to blend it into that pink a little bit. And I'm going to take some of this just above my crease as well. And I actually like it a little bit wider at the kind of lash line. So I'm just going to extend that gold almost so it goes like this. That looks so pretty, but we are going to amp this look up. But first, let's take some liner. I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex liner, you know, it's my favorite. I'm just going to create a line all the way across my lash line and then do the wing and make sure everything is joint up. So now that liner is on, we're going to amp this look up, and I'm taking one of my favorite glitters. It's the Glossier Play Glitters. This is what it looks like. It's called Glittery Jelly, and this is, I think, in the shade Bijoux. But let me just show you what it's like inside. Like, how gorgeous is that? Like, it's literally like a jelly consistency, and it's the easiest way to apply glitter. So I'm just gonna pat this on. And the reason I did my liner first is just because I find it, I don't know, I don't like applying liner over glitter. You can with this one, maybe I should have. I just prefer it the other way. Oh my god, this is giving me serious festival vibes. So I'm just like patting it on. And then as I get closer to my crease, almost like we did with the shadow in the center, we're just going to thin it out. We're going to not take it as wide and almost just kind of drag it up to a point. And with this, you get no fallout, and it obviously just sets. And you can see there's like little chunks. So pretty. Okay, so glitter is on, and that is loads of fun, isn't it? I love it. I'm basically just going to run that same kind of pinky shade right on the bottom and basically just kind of replicate what's happened on the top at the bottom. So maybe I'll go in with the glitter first just to kind of map out where to avoid. So right here, just pop some glitter underneath, and honestly it is the easiest glitter to use. Oh, that's a bit much. And because it's this kind of gel consistency, before it sets, you can just go ahead and wipe it off. And then I'm going to have the pink on the outer corner here, and then it's going to blend into the orange. And then that slightly deeper pink just over the top. Who likes going to festivals? Because I do. The only thing I don't like is being really, really squished next to people. That's probably the thing I dislike the most. So I'm now just going to go in with some mascara. I'm taking the Huda Beauty mascara. Okay guys, so I've just quickly popped on some lashes. I don't have the box, but I think they are Tatti Lashes TL9. I think. I'm going to take some liner, just some black liner. This is the Huda Beauty one. And I'm just going to take this in my waterline. And then finally for the lips, let's go in with Cork Lip Liner by MAC. And I'm just going to line my entire lips with this. And whenever I do my lip line, I always like to round off my Cupid's bow. I just find that it makes my lips look more plump and more fuller. And then for lipstick, I might go in with this Fenty Slip Shine in Make Out Break. Let's see, it's quite a sheer, so let's see how it goes. Ooh, it actually looks really nice, and oh my god, these smell amazing. But to the rescue, as usual, let's go in with MAC Peach Stock, much better. And then I'm gonna go in with this Jordanatica, not sure how it's said, but I'm gonna go in with this gloss. And then finally, I feel like this is just an extra step. I'm gonna take that same highlighter and just take it. Oh, on the inner corner. Yeah, it needed that. And then we're going to finish it off with this Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. And this is also a setting spray. So I'm going to get this on. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I applied loads. That's because this mist is so damn fine that you don't actually need that much. Oh my god. It felt like there was like nothing going on my face, but it was all going on my face. Wow, wow, wow. Okay guys, setting mist has settled and oh my god. First of all, this freaking smells amazing. And second of all, it's honestly just given my skin like a dewy look without making it look oily or greasy. It's so beautiful. It's just, whew, it's just brought me to life. I love it. OMG, I'm so impressed with this. Yeah, it says apply right after you're done with your makeup to create a dewy look. That's exactly what it's done. Oh my god, okay. Love, love, love. Right, so guys, this is the finished makeup look. I'm really not sure where I'm going, you're going, where we're all going, wearing this makeup in this current state of the world. But, I mean, hey, get glam. You might be having like a summer garden party or something during this global pandemic, and you can most definitely wear this kind of makeup look to that. I just wanted to do something a bit fun and a little bit different to what I normally do today, and I really hope you like it. I personally love how it's turned out. So yeah, if you do like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know where you would wear this look. Where are you going, hun? And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're nearly at 200k subscribers on YouTube. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also get me on the gram, TikTok, all of that. I create content everywhere, and all different content everywhere. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.